Is it cheaper to fix a furnace or replace it? This is one of the most common questions homeowners across the Twin Cities metro area ask during winter. Often, fixing a furnace is cheaper if the system is under 10 years old and the repair is minor. Parts like ignitors, flame sensors, or thermostats are usually affordable. A common guideline is the $5,000 rule. Multiply the age of your furnace by the repair cost. If the total is under $5,000, repair usually makes sense. If it is over $5,000, replacement is often the smarter long-term option. Because furnaces in the Twin Cities metro area run hard through long winters, older systems often become expensive to keep repairing year after year. If you're unsure whether to repair or replace your furnace, call Vector Services. We explain your options clearly and help you make the most cost-effective choice.